Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix auto brightness issues on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, if you want to fix your auto brightness issues, what I would recommend you to do is disable and enable adaptive brightness in these settings. So we're going to open up the settings app, and here in the settings we need to scroll a little bit down until we see display and brightness. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and here we want to enable the automatic option. So this alone makes our phone adjust the brightness automatically. If it's not working for you, then simply disable it and enable it back again. So here we want to make sure that we also enable sunlight mode. So whenever we're out, then we can enable sunlight mode just to make sure that we get some extended brightness. And it's literally too bright, so you even guys cannot see this, but you can easily enable sunlight mode. Now you will utilize your extreme peak brightness for the phone. Of course, it can increase the battery usage and how fast your phone heats up, but you guys can easily fix it by clicking here. Now, if that didn't work, then make sure to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. I'm going to use a microfiber cloth for it. So now we're just gonna go over and swipe a little. After we're done cleaning it, then what we want to do is we want to make sure that we restart our phone to refresh the sensors. So press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, and now press on the restart. Now tap to restart, and the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, we're gonna unlock our phone, and as a last resort, check for software updates. So open up the settings. Now in the settings, we want to scroll down until we see system and updates and tap on software update, the first option that pops up right here. Here we want to make sure that we check for updates manually, because sometimes automatically it just can't. Sometimes it just won't refresh. So we want to make sure that we are on the latest version, and we want to make sure that there are no other glitches on our device from previous softwares. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.